Now I am going to flip the chicken. Wow, look at this folks. The crust has turned nice and crispier. Hey, hello friends, welcome back to Brintechno's cooking show. Today I will be showing you how to prepare dhaba style chicken fry. So to prepare dhaba style chicken fry, we require 1 kg of medium size skinless chicken, and this is not boneless, this is the normal chicken. Before preparing the masala for the chicken fry, we need to brine the chicken. And now let's move to brine the chicken. Now we need to fill the chicken with a surplus of water. Now here goes half teaspoon of salt. And now let's mix it nice and thoroughly. Now let the chicken sit in the brine solution for almost 1 hour. So what is brine? Brine solution is nothing but it is a salty liquid solution where we submerge this chicken for an hour. What does brine do to this chicken? So basically brine solution changes the nature of the chicken from lean meat into something like where it infuses all the flavors and helps to retain the moist within it. That's why we are going to brine the chicken, or else what happens is in a skinless chicken, when you apply the masala and fry the chicken, it becomes dry. So we don't want that to happen. I hope you guys are clear about what is the brine solution and why we need to brine the chicken for an hour. It's been almost 1 hour. I'm going to throw away all the brine solution, and then I'm going to rinse it once or twice with the fresh water, and then I'm going to squeeze it just to make sure the chicken is free from excess of moisture, and then I'm going to apply the masala. And now let's rinse the chicken. And now I'm going to squeeze the chicken just to make sure the chicken is free from excess of moisture. With the help of your palm, just squeeze the chicken like this. Yes, there you go. The excess of water is just dripping from the chicken. Yeah. And now the chicken is free from excess of moisture. And now I'm going to do it again. So this is how you make sure the chicken is free from excess of moisture, so that your masala doesn't become light and running. Now let's prepare the masala. So take a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Now goes 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now goes 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now goes half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now goes half teaspoon of pepper powder. Now goes half teaspoon of jeera powder. Now add salt as per your taste. Now goes 3 teaspoon of fresh curd. Now goes 2 teaspoons of oil. Now goes 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now squeeze half lime. And now mix all the ingredients nice and thoroughly. Now once you are done mixing nice and thoroughly, the masala paste is ready, but it's a bit thicker. So I'm going to sprinkle some water and make it bit light. And now the masala has reached to this consistency. It should form the peaks as you can see over here. And now we are going to add the chicken to it. I am going to mix nice and thoroughly all the masala to the chicken. So folks, as you can see over here, I am pushing all the masala to the each and possible corners of the chicken so that the masala should stick properly. As you can see here folks, I am done marinating all the masala nice and thoroughly to the chicken and let it sit in refrigerator for almost 1 hour so that all the flavors of the masala should get properly infused inside the chicken. So now I am going to cover it with the foil wrap and then keep it in refrigerator for 1 hour and then I am going to fry it. Now it's been around 1 hour. I am going to remove the chicken from the refrigerator. Here I am using grill pan to fry the chicken, and if you don't have grill pan, that's totally fine. You can use any normal pan to fry the chicken. And now I am going to brush some oil nice and slowly. Here we are not going to deep fry the chicken, we are going to shallow fry it. So apply adequate amount of oil. Now before the chicken goes into the frying pan, I am going to give a quick shot of mix so that all the masala which is settled at the bottom should get properly mixed with the chicken. And now I am going to add the chicken one by one, nice and slowly. Here I am going to slightly press on the chicken so that the grill marks should get properly infused on the chicken. Now it's been around 5 minutes. I am going to flip the chicken. So it has been properly cooked in one side. So as you can see over here, the grill lines are properly infused on the chicken. So now I am going to do the same for the another side. So press it nice and slowly. And now I am going to brush some oil on the chicken so that the chicken becomes nice, soft and juicy. Once you are done applying the oil, let it fry for 5 more minutes. So now it's been around 5 minutes and I'm going to flip the chicken. So here what I'm intending to do is I'm going to evenly fry all the sides of the chicken nice and evenly. So as you can see over here, this side has not been fried. So I'm going to flip it and I'm going to press it like this so that the grill marks will get infused on the chicken. So as you can see over here, I'm going to flip it like this, and same applies for this as well. Now as always, what you need to do is just press it slightly. And now what's the next process? Now we are going to apply the oil nice and evenly. And now let it fry for 5 more minutes. As you can see over here, the chicken crust has turned into brown. The chicken is almost fried. It looks nice, brownish and crispier. And now let's add some ghee. So far we have applied oil, and now it's time to brush the ghee at the end, which gives the actual dabba flavor to the chicken fry. And now it's time to introduce the butter to the chicken. And now I'm going to brush the butter nice and slowly like this. So over here I'm going to add a little bit of butter. If you want to apply more butter, then it's left up to you. Wow, look at this folks. Now the chicken fry looks nice, soft and creamier. Now I'm going to flip the chicken. Wow, look at this folks. The crust has turned nice and crispier. And now I'm going to flip the chicken, and to the other side I'm going to add the butter as well. Wow, wow, wow. It's been almost 25 minutes. So you need to fry this chicken nice and slower on medium flame, or else you might end up burning the chicken. So whole cooking process took me around 25 minutes. Now I am going to apply for this butter as well. And now I am going to apply butter to this side as well. Wow. Looking at this chicken fry, I am just imagining how rich this chicken fry has turned out. And now let's fry 1 minute on each sides, and then we'll remove the chicken. So yeah folks, finally the yummy and delicious dabba style chicken fry is ready to serve. And as you can see over here, the lot of chicken pieces looks really delicious, and I'm eagerly waiting to hog it up. But before that, I want to share something folks. As you can see over here, the masala has been properly infused into the chicken. This is because we had soaked the chicken in the brine solution for almost 1 hour. So folks, when you visit to a restaurant or a dabba or a food chain, you might think, why our chicken, I mean the chicken which prepared at home, doesn't taste like which is prepared in the dabba? That is because they brine the chicken in the brine solution. That makes the chicken more juicier, more crispier and more tender. From today onwards, when you're frying the chicken, or when you're grilling the chicken, or when you're going to do the barbecue, just brine the chicken in the brine solution. So this is the secret which restaurant people doesn't share with you folks. So yeah folks, and now the time has come to savor some delicious chicken. And before that, I'm going to squeeze some lime on the chicken. Wow, look at this folks, right? The squeezing the lime is one of the most satisfactory thing in this world. And now here is the chicken piece. As you can see over here, the masala has been properly sticked. The chicken has turned out much tender and juicier. And now I'm going to eat the chicken and I'm going to reveal the taste. So are you ready, folks? Yes, even I'm eagerly waiting to hog this chicken. Give me a minute. It has come out just perfect, folks. The masala has come out perfect. The chicken is juicier and tender. So I'm just thinking over here how rich this chicken has turned out with a lot of flavors within it. Right, folks? Before that, look at this chicken, folks. The masala looks heavenly. Everything is just perfect. You have to give it a try once. So yeah, folks, without further ado, I'm going to end up this video and I'm going to finish all of this chicken, and I will be back with another new and fresh recipe along with my mama. Until next time, bye bye, see you folks. Love you all. Take care. Peace out.